Okay guys, so I'm sure you guys remember a few weeks ago I reviewed the Crunky chocolate bar from the Eric Syrup 6 Get Some Snack Pack. Well, this month from Crunky Japan I got a different flavor. It's Crunky Baked Cheesecake. Looks like it's white chocolate, which is my favorite. And it looks like from the box here, I don't know if you guys can see there. It looks like there's flakes of stuff in it, just like the other one here. I wish I knew of what. But anyhow, we're gonna give it a shot here. This is what the box looks like. Let me try open here. And thank you again, Paul. I mean, guys, check out Paul from Crinkly Japan. Check out his channel. You guys want awesome snacks like this, and you know what I mean? I'd recommend this. I was gonna say, or a Chokio treat box. That's why I stopped myself, because this is gonna be cheaper than that, and plus you're help supporting somebody with their channel as well. So I think it's a win-win. Trying to open the foil here. Oh, there we go. So I'm just gonna take a sniff here. Oh my goodness. It smells exactly like cheesecake, guys. Here, I don't know. See the bumps on the back? It's just like the other one. Give you guys a closer look in just a moment here. Okay, so that's the back. And this is the front. I don't know if you guys can see, there's like brown flecks in it. You guys can see that. Camera's having trouble focusing today, unlike myself. So I'm gonna try this. Cheers, guys. It definitely has that baked cheesecake flavor for sure. A nice creamy taste. Same texture as the other flavor of Crunky I tried, which I'm assuming the other one I tried was the regular flavor with baked cheesecake. Oh, it's so good. Oh my gosh. I just got as an aftertaste, you know, not the crust part, but you know, the cream cheese filling part in my mouth. Oh my gosh. So that was unexpected, but it's really, really good. So at first you take more of the crust, but then as an aftertaste, you do taste the cheesecake there. It's hard to put into words, guys. If you want to try this, of course, you could support Paul from Crinkly Japan, which is what I recommend, because it's an awesome channel, and also you help him with his content. Or you can try and order it through Amazon or something like that. But anyhow, I recommend you guys try this. 5 out of 5 stars for sure. You guys gotta try this. It's even better than the other Crunky that I tried. But then I love cheesecake, so I might be a little biased with that. But I encourage you guys to try it out. Let me know what you think if you have tried it. Or if you haven't tried that, let me know if you've tried any other type of chocolate or what have you that tastes like cheesecake, and tell me what you thought of it. Anyhow, guys, I thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like on the way out, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and hit that bell. That way you guys always know when I'm making new content. And as well, check out my social media links below in the description. As well, I have some channels in the description that I enjoy watching. I encourage you to check them out as well. Thank you so much, guys, and I hope you're having a great day. Bye.